I'm so excited to share with you a delicious roundup of Christmas breakfast ideas. From epic French toast to awesome pancakes in a giant cinnamon roll. In this video, I know that you're gonna find a recipe with minimal effort that you can whip up on Christmas morning and make everyone feel special. First up, eggnog French toast. If you have eggnog in the fridge from the holiday parties, this is the time to use it. If you don't have eggnog, you can use milk and spices, and I'm gonna leave the recipe for you right below this video. Don't like French toast? No problem. Make eggnog pancakes instead. They're easy to whip up, and pancakes always make a cozy breakfast for everyone. If you're like me and wake up to the smell of coffee brewing, check out these coffee cake muffins. The crumbly topping is epic, and since they're muffins, you can make an entire batch ahead of time and have them ready on Christmas morning. They also freeze great, and I have a video on this channel showing you how you can freeze muffins and pancakes, which I'll link below for you. Now, my kids love this giant cinnamon roll, and you will too, since you can easily make it with store-bought cinnamon roll dough. You simply roll it up into a giant circle, bake it, drizzle the glaze right over the top, and slice it up. Now, one year I skipped the classic holiday spices and I made this chocolate banana bread instead. The batter is super chocolatey, you bake it, and whoa. Each slice is decadent. If you're a warm and cozy breakfast type of family and enjoy oatmeal, I have an apples and cinnamon slow cooker oatmeal recipe you're really gonna enjoy. This cozy recipe is gonna turn your house into a bakery when you wake up, because the smell of warm apples and cinnamon for breakfast, yes please. Or you can try my cranberry orange baked oatmeal. You can enjoy it right out of the oven, nice and warm. It's everything you love about the holidays in a bowl. Now, one year I was gifted a huge box of pecans, so I made these pecan pancakes. They have a brown sugar cinnamon taste with tidbits of pecans in each bite, and I think you should try them. Now friends, pumpkin season is not over, and these pumpkin pancakes are incredible. The batter looks like pumpkin pie, and each bite is fluffy and delicious. Drizzle them with maple syrup, and you are set. Now, if by the time you finish opening up gifts, it's no longer breakfast and it's more like brunch, go ahead and make my bacon and spinach frittata recipe. Everything gets mixed in a bowl, baked in the oven, and it holds up really well. Plus, it's a recipe that you can make ahead and simply heat and eat. I know Christmas mornings are often rushed and probably filled with traditions at your house. You're gonna find the recipes to everything I mentioned in this video and more right below in the description box, and I hope they make your holiday a little bit more delicious. Now, if you're new around here and enjoy the type of recipes that I shared in this video, go ahead and click that red subscribe button. I share a new recipe a few times a week. See you next time.